Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone to buy a PlayStation 5 game using the PS app. So if you don't have this, go to the Apple Store and get this application. It's simply just called PlayStation app, and this will allow you to locate the games and download them from your phone. So here it is, PlayStation app. Open this up, sign in with the same account that you use for your PlayStation 5. Now when you're on this home screen, go over to the middle option right here, and this will be the store. So once you're under the store now, you can simply just browse it and find the game you want. Now if you go all the way down to the bottom, it's going to give you the option to search by PlayStation 5 game, PS5 Pro, add-ons, PS4, free-to-play, or PSVR 2. So you can just use this to find it. Otherwise you got collections, deals on the top, etc. Or you can buy PlayStation Plus by going to subscriptions right there. So let's just go to free to play, and I will show you how to add this to your cart, and then you can check out very easily. So let's go on down to something I don't have. So I don't know if I have this football game here. I don't know what this is. So I'll click on this. Now if I go on down, I can go to add to library. And if this was something that we had to pay for, we would have to enter in our credit card information, and then we would have to check out. But since this is one of those games, I can just go to this option right here, and I can get it right on my PlayStation 5 right away. So it's very easy to just go to this section and find things to purchase. So it makes it very simple. Now if we go back to the left here, and then go back up to the top, we have options under here like payment methods, redeem code, subscription management, or transaction history. So if we want to find out what we bought, add our credit card, very easy to do under there. And then we have our favorites right here, our wish list. And then you can see in the bottom right is our cart. If we have anything added, we can go there and we can check out. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.